Good morning, traders, and this is your Dax day trade review for today. So we are switching across to the Bill Williams theory from here on in towards Christmas. I just suspect we're going to get a pretty strong Christmas rally, and as you can see at the moment, it is showing up the trend very well. Okay, at this stage, we are consolidating. So we did get this gap down with the oil strike, so not the oil strikes, but the air strikes on the oil fields, and we've pretty much gone nowhere. Now, we are waiting for the Feds at the moment, so I do suspect this is going to continue until the Fed's meeting. I think it's on Wednesday. So with that in mind, what you're pretty much looking for at this stage, we've had a fairly strong run, and now we have a confirmation of a break to the downside. I don't think that this is going to materialize, to be honest with you. I think it's going to consolidate, and then as soon as we get news on the Feds or the inside traders get their news, then the market will start moving in a direction. So for me at this stage, this trend line is pretty important, and that fractal and that fractal there to the upside. So that's kind of what we're looking at. If I come down to 30 minutes, you'll see lots of indecision yesterday. The trend to the downside is holding, but we are coming up to the zero line here with the awesome oscillator. And remember, when we start crossing over the awesome oscillator, that also normally coincides with a crossover the alligator, and then we're looking for an alligator to basically cross over and point to the upside. So where I'm waiting for that would be on the 12 minutes. And you can see at the moment the gap down was fairly strong, and then we went sideways. So at this stage, alligator is sleeping. You can see no real movement here. So there's no real direction at the moment. So what you're looking for is a break above or below. These two fractals are pretty much the ones that I'm watching pretty closely, but you can also look at those two fractals in the middle there. Okay, so at the moment we are consolidating, we are ranging. I'm looking for a level, or I'm looking for a pretty decent crossover on the alligator and pointing down or up. Any move to the downside, I think, is going to be short-lived. Okay, I don't see. I think this terrorist strike here is what drove us down at the moment, but it's holding up pretty well considering. So I think we are really just waiting for the Feds at the moment, so we're going to have to wait and see. But I do suspect the Feds are going to come out with positive news, which is going to drive this market higher. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm anticipating at the moment. Obviously, the higher time frames you can see, those are the fractals we want to play. Okay, this one here is not really, if I look at the 30-minute, it wouldn't really indicate a potential trend change, but this fractal up here would. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Probably more than likely just wait and see. See, there I have a trend line, there I have another trend line. So this is just a consolidation pattern for me today. We need to break up or down for me to even start considering a direction. So sit on hands and wait to see what happens. Okay, anyway guys, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and no real direction until we get the alligator pointing up or down. At this stage, it is looking like it's down, but we do have quite a few levels, fairly strong levels, which it could bounce off, and there's no direction. So I'll just trade it accordingly. Anyway guys, that's it from today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers.